Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to transform your life? These 5 steps will completely transform your life in just a few weeks. Getting your life together is not just a cliche. It's a must-do if you want to break free from the cycle of feeling overwhelmed and lost. Think about it. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, yet some people seem to have it all together while others are still stuck in neutral. Well, it's time to take control and make conscious decisions to create the life that you've always wanted. We've all been there, feeling like we're drowning in responsibilities, struggling to keep up with our daily tasks, and wondering how others seem to do it all with ease. Procrastination, self-doubt, and fear of failure are just a few of the many obstacles that stand in our way. We get stuck in the rut of negativity, constantly worrying about the what-ifs and the maybes, and before we know it, weeks turn into months and months turning into years. We feel like we're drifting aimlessly, unsure of how to escape the chaos that has become our lives. Man, on top of that, technology's made it easier for us to stay connected. Yet we've never felt more disconnected. Social media has created unrealistic expectations, and we're left feeling like we're not good enough, that we're not doing enough, or that we're just not enough altogether. It's a never-ending cycle of comparison and competition, and it's time to break free from it. Guys, one of the main reasons we struggle to get our lives together is that we're trying to tackle too many tasks at once. We set unrealistic goals, fall off the bandwagon, and then we beat ourselves up over it. Well, it's time to simplify, focus on what truly matters, and take it one step at a time. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. 5 actionable steps that you can take to start getting your life together in 2024 and beyond. The first step is to identify your priorities. What are the things that truly matter to you? What are your non-negotiables? Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve in the short term as well as the long term. Make sure you write it down, make it very clear, and make it very concise. This will help you stay focused on what's truly important and eliminate distractions. The second step is to create a schedule that works for you and not against you. We all have the same 24 hours, but we could choose how we use them. I had to learn how to make better use of my time. Block out time for the things that matter the most. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy, and make time for self-care. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential. The third step is to declutter your living and workspaces. We've all heard the phrase, cluttered space, cluttered mind, and it's true. When our surroundings are organized, our minds feel clearer and we're more productive. Start with small areas, like your desk or a single shelf, and work your way up. The fourth step is to build meaningful relationships. Who you surround yourself with matters. Take the time to nurture relationships that uplift you and inspire you. Invest in people who support and encourage you, and don't be afraid to distance yourself from those who bring you down. Now guys, the 5th and final step is important. It's to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you feel ready. Start making small steps towards your goals today. Break them down into manageable tasks and focus on making progress and not so much perfection. Now guys, I know these steps work because I've seen it firsthand. Guys, I used to feel lost and overwhelmed, but once I started implementing these steps in my life completely transformed. I went from feeling stuck to feeling empowered, and I know you can do the same. Remember, it's not always about being perfect. It's about taking small steps towards creating the life that you want. So to recap, the 5 steps to getting your life together in 2024 and beyond are to identify your priorities, create a schedule that works for you, declutter your living and your workspace, build meaningful relationships, and take action. Consistency is key, so start small and be patient with yourself. Change is possible, and it starts with taking the first step. Thanks guys for watching, and if you're ready to start getting your life together, I want to hear about it in the comments below. What's the one thing that you're going to start with today? Don't forget to smash that like button, guys, and please stay positive, stay motivated, and stay inspired. And as always, guys, stay rocking with Ace. Peace.